Hello my friends, Stephanie Brown at the Stamps of Life, and I have some really fun things to share with you today. First, I have this amazing shaped card Easter basket. Now, I went a little crazy on the eggs because I gave you a cute one that's already done, then I gave you like the shadow one, and then I gave you all of these fun, crazy pieces to make your own Easter eggs. Because you know what? Sometimes you just want to have your own little design on there, right? So there's tons of dies to pick from there, which is really fun. Now, another item that we are releasing, something brand new to us. This is in conjunction with Crafter's Companion. We did this together. These are some Scratch Reveal stickers. Stay tuned because I'm going to demo these. They are amazing. And the fun thing is you're going to stamp something, put these stickers over it, and then the person you give it to gets to scratch to reveal what it says. Really excited about these. You are getting 204 stickers in here in 3 different colors: gold, silver, and rose gold, aka pink. Can't wait to share it with you. Stay tuned for a second. Now, with the Scratch Reveal stickers, you're gonna need Scratch Reveal stamps. So now these are really fun because it says, "A friend like you deserves," and then under the sticker, you're gonna say, "Lunch on me, drinks on me, a date night, a spa day, dinner on me," and then happy anniversary. There's different things. So a birthday treat for you, and then you could offer all those. Scratch for a special surprise. There's a wedding in the future, happy anniversary, happy birthday, happy day, wishing you a very happy birthday. Lots of different options. Now, of course, there's 2 because I could not stop. Here's a fun one. Did you know we're moving? I'm itching to tell you. I'm missing you. Can you believe it? Let's celebrate. You're amazing. I'm so thankful for you. It's your birthday. Psst. Want to know a secret? Lots of mix and matching opportunities here. You could say, "Did you know?" And then under the sticker have it say, "We're getting married," or "I'm itching to tell you." And then under the scratch, "Call me." So much fun. Lots of fun. And interactive, right? Because they get to scratch. And don't worry, I'm going to show you samples. Also, and I know it doesn't look like anything, but let me show you how adorable this is. Your guess is as good as mine. One of my favorite sayings. This is an A2 background, and look at how fun this is. Now, the cool thing about this is when I designed it, I made it so you could just die cut the black and be done. Because, well, or any color you wanted, right? Because all of those letters, all the insides of all the letters stay in. So you could literally make this one die, or you could put the letters in there if you wanted to. Totally up to you. Here's another cute one. Your guess is as good as mine. This one, this designer, Sheila, put the letters back in there in different colors if you want to. Here's another cute one. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is that? Your guess is as good as mine. Because you know what? Sometimes I say, well, actually I say that quite a lot, right? But look at how cute that is with the hologram paper. I love that paper. Here's another cute one. Easy peasy, right? So simple to do. I love it. Now, let's look at some samples for our Easter basket. First of all, look at this adorable box it, right? Using our box die. Look how cute that is. Little eggs poking out of here. Love it, with some little candies in there. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely think that's so cute. And, ooh, let's look at our other samples that we have here. Look at this cute one. Egg hunt with those fun little eggs. You get to make the eggs any way you want. You could put the sleeping bunny in there. Isn't that adorable? Absolutely love that. Now, shaped cards are so fun because they just add something totally different and unexpected, right? Look how that is. Happy Easter with our fun stencil. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's actually a sneak peek, I think. What? Okay, look how cute that little Easter egg basket is. Here's another cute one. You get to make your own eggs. So much fun. Oh, and here's another one. Make your own eggs. Okay, here's another sneak peek. Oh, I love showing you sneak peeks. But look at how cute these eggs are in our Train Slimline sneak peek. But look at how cute those eggs are in that basket right there. Okay, now let's talk about the Scratch Reveal because I'm really excited about these. So here we go. I've stamped from the Stamp Sense. Guess what? We're moving Scratch to Reveal. Now, I didn't even do this, you know, centered or anything, but I just wanted you to see how easy peasy it is. Now I have these stickers. I have the rose gold, also known as pink if you ask me, but there's 4 sheets of that. There are 4 sheets of the gold, and 4 sheets of the silver. So you know I'm gonna pull that pink because you know it's my favorite. Okay, so I'm gonna pull that pink and I'm gonna find one that fits right over it. So I tried to really design the smaller ones to go under all these different shapes that I designed. So I could use this big square, I could use that big circle, I could almost use that heart, but I could almost use that circle. Oh, if I move it just right, I can. I'm gonna do just the big circle. So you're just gonna peel it off. It's like a little sticker, right? And I'm gonna lay that right on top. So now I'm gonna give it to my friend or family or whatever. Guess what? Scratch to reveal. Now I would have normally put that a little closer. I'll show you some real good samples in just a second, but they can use a coin. Who has coins nowadays, right? I just use my fingernail and I'm gonna scratch this off, and look at that. It says, we're moving. Look at that. Is that so cool? Okay, so let's look at the fun samples. So here's a cute one. Look at this with our little gnomes. It says scratch to reveal. I wonder what it says. Can you believe it? Oh, it's a surprise. I'm not even going to tell you what it says. Ah! Okay, look how cute this is. Psst, want to know a secret? Scratch to reveal. And they have to scratch that. I'm leaving these all like quiet so you don't even know what they say. Oh, this one is already done. A friend like you deserves, scratch to reveal, lunch on me. Isn't that cute? Or here's another one that's already scratched so you can see it. Did you know I'm missing you? I love that. Here's a cute one, scratch to reveal, happy birthday, let's celebrate. Oh, and I wonder what it says, maybe lunch on me or something like that. Here's another one, scratch for a special surprise. I love the little arrows that I put on the stamp sets because, you know, it kind of like really explains, like scratch right here, you know. Here's a cute one, psst, want to know a secret? Scratch this. And they're gonna scratch it, and I bet you this one says we're getting married. Isn't that totally adorable? You guys are gonna have so much fun with the scratch reveal. And you know what? You can add different stamps. You could even just write down, you can cover anything. You can cover a picture. You can cover anything you want with those fun stickers. Now, club members, yeah, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. And if you're not in the club, I don't know what you're waiting for. They start as little as $13.99 a month. And that includes a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically each month. I design new ones every month. You'll never get a duplicate from us. And then as a club member, you get a discount all over our website, the entire website, not one exclusion. Online classes, die cut machines, totally Tiffany items, scratch reveal stickers, stamps, dies, paper, cardstock, adhesive, you name it, 15% off if you're in the stamp club. Isn't that amazing? Now, if you're in more than one club and you add up to the right clubs, you could get 20% off the entire website. What? I know, it's crazy. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club video, and just watch that video, because you know what? You're definitely going to want to get in on this. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.